What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video we're going to talk about Emeris. Dude, I am so hyped about Emeris. It is fire sauce. We're going to go ahead and break it down, talk to you guys about a couple things, what's going on and what's happening in Emeris. We're going to show you guys how to provide liquidity, how you can swap with it, just play around with it. It's going to be a quick demo, quick tutorial. It's pretty self-explanatory, but for all you guys are like ready to be mind blown, we gonna do it. All right, so let's go ahead and show you guys first the swapping mechanism. You can swap any token that you want to, well, any asset that they have on this chain, obviously. You know what the coolest thing is? Persistence is its own chain. Osmo, it's its own chain. Akash, Regen, they have their own chains, guys. So they are not just specifically on Cosmos. So you can even say, hey, I want to receive these different tokens, and you can bring them over onto Emeris. Why am I so bullish on Emeris? Well, what is the token securing the Cosmos network? Well, you bet your buns. It's Atom Cosmos, the Atom token. Atom is going to be securing this. And just imagine, hey, I wonder who's going to be securing the network or securing this bridge. Well, it's going to be them stakers of Atom. So now you're asking yourself, okay, great, Johnny. That's awesome and all, but why is that bullish? Well, just imagine, what do you think is going to happen when they have transaction fees directly on Emeris or transferring between different chains? What if they burned them like EIP 1559? You know, how Ethereum used to be unlimited inflation and there was no terms of deflationary because they're burning tokens. Yeah, that's when Ethereum went nuts and ham. So again, time will tell. We'll see what will happen with this one, but that's why I'm very bullish on Cosmos. So let's go ahead and show you guys about Emeris, what they're looking to do, and why I really like this protocol. First off, I need to get a second pair to go with Atom, or Atom, whatever I like to call it, Atom, because it sounds so much cooler. Osmosis, I already have some in my wallet. I'm going to provide LP for that, and I'm also going to do some Atom and Akash. So if you guys want to choose the different pools that you want to provide liquidity on, you can look at the different liquidity amounts. So right now, Regen is going gangbusters. I don't have a share in that, obviously, as you guys can see. So I'm going to be looking at other pools to see which ones I get. And if you guys are curious about what the rewards are that you get, well, the rewards are basically whatever the swap fees are. So I'm probably going to do the Akash, or I'm sorry, Atom and Osmo pool. And then I'm going to do the Akash and Atom pool because I just am. So we're going to go back to the front page. I'm going to go ahead and get some Akash token. And we're just going to say, Akash, let's do this. So we're going to say one Akash for one. I'll probably do like 3 atoms for some Akash tokens. And I'll go ahead and swap these jokers. So we're going to hit review. It kind of explains it all. It tells your slippage, minimum received, etc. And it tells you the transaction fee, guys, like I was explaining to you. What if they implement something to make it burning? Well, boom, boom. There we go. And then you got the swap fee, and then you got the Akash token. So these are the fees that the LP providers are going to be getting. So you're welcome, guys. I'm about to give you guys some money. So let's confirm it's in. I'm going to do low because well, actually I can't. Let me do override fee. Haha, losers. I'm lowering the fee. Wait, I hope it's a loser. I'm probably going to get rejected because I'm a cheapo. But we'll see what happens. Dude, I just scammed the system. No, I'm just kidding, guys. I actually got ripped off because I got 17.77 instead of 17.8 because I was a little slow on the swap, so the prices changed a bit. But hey, who cares? Oh, I now got me some Akash and Osmo tokens. Now I'm going to go ahead and provide some liquidity. You can create your own pools. All you got to do is collect or select add liquidity and choose whichever one you want. And then you can be like, oh snap, I'm a...
Thanks, now what are you? Superstar.
Good for you, Johnny. You're a superstar now. But don't worry, we ain't going to do that. We're just going to go ahead and go with the pools that they already have. So I'm just going to be like boring, general, whatever. Let's go ahead and do Akash and Atom. So we're going to do add liquidity. I'm going to use the maximum amount of Akash, and then it's obviously going to take a 50% pair with the Atom. And we're going to hit confirm and continue. And we're going to pay a transaction fee. But dude, we know how to scam the system this time. Override that fee. I hope it works this time. Typically, when the chain's congested, it doesn't work like this. But right now, it's actually like 4 o'clock right now. So there's not a lot of people doing crypto. Most people are just driving. So I got lucky. It went through. And we're going to say done. Now we're done. So now we have the tokens that we have here. We can see our pool. And we can even go to the different pools and we can add again. So like I mentioned to you, I'm going to do the Osmo and Atom pool as well. Because, well, I want to add it there. So I'm going to do max Atom and max Osmo. And we're going to hit, yeah, let's do this. Oh man, pools are on the Cosmos Hub. So your Osmo must be transferred to Cosmos Hub. So we're going to have to transfer this. So let's go ahead and transfer this, confirm and continue. We got to do the Osmo. I'm going to scan the system again, guys. Low. Losers. Oh, what? It didn't work. All right, so we got to pay a fee to do this. It's kind of stinks, but we're going to pay the fee just because we're on video. And we want to make sure those miners get paid. You're welcome, guys. I'm contributing to society. Keep in mind, guys, this will take up some time. It takes about a minute. We're going to be transferring from different chains. Actually, to be honest, what I could have done is just went straight to Osmosis and did the transfer there. But hey, I wasn't even thinking. And you can actually do it for free over there. So like withdraw directly from Osmo and send to Atom. Right now I'm just kind of like chatting, but whatever. Just kind of letting you know. So we're going to exit out of this. It'll show up eventually. But yeah. So let's explore a couple of other things I want to talk about Emeris while that transaction's going through. So Emeris is the cross-chain portal to all crypto apps. So before Osmosis, everything had to go directly onto Osmosis to transact, send away, etc. But how you can think of Emeris is it's basically Uniswap for the entire Cosmos blockchain. So eventually you'll be able to swap Luna over there. You'll be able to, well, you can swap Akash. I mean, anything. Just imagine if they integrate with Polkadot or Ethereum, and now you can start swapping like ERC20s. I mean, dude, that'll be massive. It'll be a game changer. But this Emeris concept is fire sauce. The biggest thing you need to know is this is a interface with the Internet of Blockchains. This is going to be similar to what the Gravity DEX will look like, but this is more just like transacting between different chains. Emeris is looking to provide different types of protocols: lending, yield farming, NFT marketplace, payment applications, data storage, and several other use cases. Just a game changer in my opinion. So you guys love DeFi, right? Well, how much better would you like cross-chain DeFi? I mean, you go on Ethereum, you have crazy gas fees, and it's like, dude, this is garbage. I hate these gas fees. And then Polygon comes out. They come out with liquidity mining. It's all awesome here and there for the first 2 months, and then all the liquidity mining programs go down. Then they come up with another chain that has tons of liquidity mining, and now you're like, snap. Now I got to go to the bridge. Half the time the bridge is full. You can't even get your tokens over there because everyone's already aping in over there, and you can't transfer to different chains. Dude, look at this. Now you got Emeris, 10 seconds, swap in and out. It's probably swapped by now. So I'm going to go ahead and add liquidity. Well, actually, first, let's go ahead and explain it. We got to stay focused. But that's all in all what Emeris is looking to do. No, they don't have a token, guys. They mentioned they are not airdropping a token. So don't be like, bro, where's my token? Bro, guys, quit being in that entitled nature. we don't need to be entitled. I mean, we're into cryptocurrency. Just because you use something doesn't entitle you to an airdrop. If you get one, great. If you don't, hey, better luck next time. No, it's not better luck next time. Just be happy that they made something that's helping the chain. If you're bullish on the token, consider your airdrop is the price of your token going up. I hope that helps you understand airdrops. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and add liquidity. We already did the Cash. Hey, Tom, we're going to do the Osmos and Atom now. So now we're going to do add liquidity. So my underlying assets, I now have Osmo and Atom over here. So let's go ahead and add this junk. We're going to hit add, max, swap, boom, done, continue. Man, transaction fee. Oh, wait, we know how to scan the system now, guys. Let's do this. Override that fee. We're still paying a fee. Trasho. That's Uncle Trash Arrow right there, man. All right, so gangbusters. We just added it. 1 Osmo equals, yeah, whatever. That's awesome. Cool. We're done. And that's it, man. We done. So now we go to our portfolio and we see what we got. We got 2 pools. Good for you, Johnny. You got Atom, Osmo, and Akash, Atom. So that's really it, guys. All that swapping, transacting, I probably lost about $4. Transaction fees were really not that bad at all. In fact, I did several transactions actually. So it's pretty fire sauce, fun to use, and I still got some Osmo token, so I can play around with that. And I even have some additional cash. So all in all, I'm pretty happy. I'll do some updated videos on how the rewards go, and I'll have some more additional Cosmos videos coming out because I'm super bullish on Cosmos. The whole entire ecosystem, when it goes from Terra Luna, Cosmos, Akash. I mean, dude, there's you can't just stop. I mean, all these guys have their own ecosystems. It's a game changer in my opinion. But anyways, thanks for tuning in, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys do 3 things for me. Man, I can't type as well as talk. Like, subscribe, bell button, and leave a comment in the description below saying you subscribed. You'll automatically get thrown into that drawing during $100 in free BTC. So, guys, if you want a free BTC giveaway, y'all know what to do. Let's go ahead and get into it. Proverbs, Proverbs. Proverbs. That's the best way to spell it. Proverbs chapter 18 verses, I think we're in 17. Yeah. All right. In a lawsuit, the first to speak seems right until someone comes forward and cross-examines. That's so true, man. Because, I mean, these people, they go in there, they're like, yeah, dude, I'm so right. I'm going to taint it in my way. And then it's like, okay, let's hear the other side. I mean, it's like a kid when he hits his brother and he comes to his dad, or a kid gets hit by his brother and he comes to his dad and he's like, Dad, Johnny hit me. And then dad's like, okay, son, what'd you do? It's not like, oh, okay, son, I'm sorry, I'm going to go beat the buns out of that guy. No, they hear the other side because they realize, oh, snap. Yeah, it's well tainted. So, guys, keep that in mind. Not that just in lawsuits in general, but just like when someone's coming at you with something, or if something happens, I mean, it happens for a reason. I mean, there's always consequences for an action. And it's just how it works. See you in the next one. Dogs, got to say thanks to the patrons. Sean Bott, Da Man, Tariq Lou, TL King, JP, PJ, Bernito, Taco Nacho. Dogs, thanks for watching. Alright guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind the scenes junk. So here it is, scan it, check it out, bomb. Alright, so next off guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. Alright, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is Crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it. So I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.